The word for dad in Spanish is papá or padre. Both words are commonly used to refer to one's father or dad. Papá is a more informal and affectionate way to call your dad, similar to saying daddy in English. It's often used by children or among family members as a term of endearment. Padre, on the other hand, is a more formal and respectful way to refer to one's father. It can also be used to refer to other people's fathers or as a general term for father in a more formal context. In Spanish-speaking cultures, family relationships are highly valued, and the terms used to refer to family members are often infused with emotion and affection. Using the appropriate term to refer to one's dad can be a sign of respect and closeness in a relationship. So next time you want to talk about your dad in Spanish, remember to use papá or padre, depending on the context and the level of formality. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish language.